Please proceed, Honorable Matsipe.
Ke tla mo fologa ga nyane mtshwara marapo. Ke tla mo fologa ga nyane ke boele mo tabeng. Billy ye go na le some concessions tse di dirileng mara utlwa tseo ditšhaba di llang ka tsona
Honorable Speaker.
ga di gona ka mogare ga Billy ye.
Honorable Speaker.
Yes, Honorable Member, please take your seat, Honorable Matsipe. Yes, Honorable Member, on what point are you rising?
Re Matsepe a re tla fologa mme kwa ne ke botsa gore o mona metsi na. Re Matsepe a re tla fologa mme ne ke botsa gore o mona metsi na.
Please, Honorable Members, this is not the time to be
Honorable
joking.
Speaker, let me translate. They mean Omunye Pesgo Munye.
No.
Honorable Matsipe,
No.
Matsipe, please proceed.
Mme ke mopedi wena o mputsa mme ke mopedi o tseba sepedi gore ke